Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to update you guys on where my nodes stand. I actually just created my eighth node this morning, which I'm pretty happy about. Again, I know price is down. It's at 115 the last time I saw it. But I'm going to keep doing this. Just going to keep compounding. My strategy is to compound up until I have 10 nodes. And after that, I can start taking profit. Um, as far as where strong is right now, the total chart for alts does look like it's about to run super hard, right? I think that it actually just closed a violent 4 hours on for TA wise, right? So as of right now, I am pretty bullish on altcoins, especially since we actually just closed a full candle above that 802 resistance for the total market cap of just altcoins, right? I think that as of right now, I think that we do have major trend to break. We still have major trend to break, right? We're on major trend. Let me get rid of this so we can actually see what's going on, right? So we officially closed above major trend. We have the official close on this is like the highest trend that I could have possibly made, right? We ended up closing back here and we ended up closing full daily candles, and we're actually closing above that 800 or that 76, essentially 800 billion market cap for altcoins. I think for right now, there hasn't been any single time where you've closed above that 800 billion market cap and you came back down. Not never, right? Every single time that you've actually closed that you've actually closed a daily candle above that 800 billion resistance for market cap, it's always ran up to what is it to 974 billion, right? So right here we closed, right? So we closed a full daily candle right here, although I'll bite bearish, but you still kept pushing to the upside, right? That's the very first instance. Again, full close candle was probably this one. I wouldn't consider this one a full close because you're still a little bit under that 800 billion market cap. I would probably consider it here. But again, you closed. You went straight to almost that you went to that 974 market cap, right? Again, right here. You tapped it down, 974. The only instance that you didn't have that didn't happen was right here when we were already in, this year, January 22nd, but that's already when everything was coming down. But again, this is the first time that we're actually going to close a full daily candle above that $800 billion market cap. And I have to believe that, because we've never had an instance of us closing above and then coming back down, you're not only closing above resistance, you're closing above major trend. I think we're going to a 974 billion market cap for altcoins. And as of right now, that's a gain of, roughly 20% on average. So I do think that every single alt is probably going to keep rallying to the upside another 20% or so. That's just kind of what TA is saying, right? Because like I said, major trend happened at the beginning here and again here, right? So we are using the 2 wicks to actually put our major trend, which is from November 21st, peak high of December 2021, and then again right now on March, the late March, but we ended up closing above that, right? I think we're going to 974 billion market cap for all altcoins. Let me do this. And I just think we're going to keep pushing up. There's so much room on the stochastic. The monthly, we might actually end up closing a bullish month, maybe around June-ish. And that's when altcoin season can possibly hit super, super hard. I mean, last time we ended up rallying extremely hard was, August. August 1st, you actually closed that monthly bullish. Guess what happened? That full month, you ran from a 547 market cap to 808 market cap, which is what? Like a 50% gain. And then from there, you went from 800 market cap, 800 billion market cap, all the way to highs of a trillion market cap. So you did another 20% or another 25% run. But every single time we closed a monthly bullish trigger, you've always ran up extremely hard, right? Like right here, you went from 36 billion market cap all the way to 100 billion market cap. So you did a 3x. And again, you can wait for this to actually close. But I think right now the accumulation phase is basically set, especially because we're actually going to be closing, full bullish candles above major trend today. I think today is going to be the very first day that we actually close our very first bullish candle above resistance and above major trend. So I think roughly altcoins are probably going to see another 20% run, maybe in the next, how long does it usually take? December 2021. December 26th, December, maybe 2-3 weeks from here. I'm trying to see I'm trying to get like an average of what usually happens. So August 31st, we close that candle above, and then we hit peaks September 7th. So, I mean, I gotta say that it looks like usually what happens is October 1st, and then you hit these highs around October. Yeah, so I'd say anywhere between 2 weeks to a month from now. I'd say that we're probably at a 974 market cap, which would put us at, March 29th. Let's go at the end of April, right? April 30th, like right here. I say somewhere around the end of April, somewhere around this area, April, late April, maybe early May, we're probably going to see a 974 billion market cap for altcoins. And I think that's where we're headed. And I think that's going to be that's the time that we're going to see that 20% rise in all of altcoins. So as of right now, start picking your positions, because I think that, I think today's the start of, I don't want to say alt season, because it's definitely not alt season. I would say it's just a 20% jump in all altcoins, maybe within the next month or so. And I think it's highly probable that happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.